So you want to learn how to code? Cool. But let me guess, you open YouTube and now you're 10 hours deep into a tutorial series with nothing to show but a blinking cursor and an existential crisis. Meanwhile, some Python script just made $2 million trading stocks while you were brushing your teeth. Let's fix this. Most new developers mess up by treating coding like it's wizardry, like you need a hoodie, a $5,000 setup, and a childhood trauma involving Visual Basic. You don't. The only thing 100% of successful programmers have in common, they started. Not perfectly, not confidently, just started. Pick a language, any language, yes, even JavaScript. I won't judge you out loud. Now grab a roadmap. Go to roadmap.sh. It's free and actually useful. Front-end, back-end, full-stack, AI, DevOps, all mapped out. But don't try to learn everything. That's like reading 5 books on cheese before making a grilled cheese sandwich. Just build the sandwich. And by that, I mean make something, anything. A tip calculator, a weather app, a site that tells you how long it's been since your last Git commit. Oof, it'll break, you'll scream, you'll Google everything. That's how real developers learn. Once you finish your first real project, even if it's terrible, you're officially out of tutorial hell. Welcome to Project Heaven. Want a job now? Time for LeetCode limbo. Yeah, it sucks, but companies still use it, so learn how to solve problems. Arrays, strings, trees, maps, sets. If it feels like math class with better syntax, you're on the right track. You don't need to be passionate, you just need to show up. So stop waiting to feel ready, start ugly, code something dumb, push it to GitHub, do it again, and when you land your first dev job, send this video to the next person who thinks they're not cut out for this. And if this helped you, subscribe. Or don't, but I'll know. I've got a script watching.